Starting 11s for today's match, beginning with Inter Miami. Lionel Messi and everybody who was away on the international break begin either on the bench or are unavailable.
Martinez returns after his injury on September 14th against the Philadelphia.
2024 MLS regular season decision day is it's an early chance for Luca Langoni. Aviles, second chance and in! On a day when Miami can set the record, New England strikes first to keep the record in Massachusetts. Just like in April at Foxborough, New England Revolution score an early goal. It's Langoni and it's 1-0.
The Achilles heel of the Supporter Shield winning Inter Miami is defending in transition. And we talked about in the pregame 4 months ago, the New England Revolution made a club record signing and going out and get Luca Langoni from Boca Juniors. And he talks so much about the...
Puns it back. Inter Miami, 8 wins, 4.
Inter Miami, very aggressive when they go down a goal.
Gressel's corner equalized, Bright to Weigand, and it's a corner one.
In MLS history, knowing that the second string is as good as...
Wins it back for Miami. Over to Luis Suarez.
And if get after it, Lionel Messi expected to play some part of this. And this Caleb Porter talking about maybe that plays an impact of their first half and their shape.
Towards the back post, over everybody. Gressel to Jordi Alba. Chance to serve, floats it in, nobody there. Alba. Suarez, first time! Ivičić sprawling, goes wide.
Well, with the return of Martinez in the back.
Bayraktarovic, Grioni open in the middle. Bayraktarovic couldn't get it to him. Robert Taylor. Still Robert Taylor blocking the pressure on. Here's Taylor, here's Gressel! Ivičić makes the save. First clean look for Miami tonight. Ivičić is clear. Jordi Alba around Arriaga, and
it's allowing space for Miami.
Oh, Suarez nutmegs Arriaga. Now it's Miami. Jordi Alba looking for Suarez. Arriaga there for Bayraktarovic wanted it. Now it's back to Polster. Nobody there. Nobody crashing for him. And again, it's New England who look for Jordi Alba. Over the top, looking for Taylor. By there. Kremaski arriving. Arriaga gets it away first. Right. And still Suarez. Corner for Miami. And Gressel and Busquets. Too far for Jordi Alba. Across. And the foul. It is floated there. Busquets back to Robert Taylor. Oh, gets a nutmeg. Julian Gressel floats it. Suarez! This hit. Jordi Alba. Robney then. It will be Luis Suarez. It's to the back post. Weigand off the bar! Gressel the follow off the post! Miami were offside. Suarez back post. Acrobatic. Into La Familia.
Defending 2 against 2 in their back line.
Gressel for Weigand. Goes back to Kremaski. Kremaski's shot was blocked by Yusuf. Arriaga concedes a Ivičić for New England. Simple enough. Find Gressel behind. It's a beautiful ball. Gressel across. Oh, Dave Romney keeping it from Suarez, keeping New England on top.
Well, the wind playing a part of this one because Wo Sands gets caught a little bit.
This one to the near post. Aviles tries to flick. Yusuf back. Barrero! Oh, through Calendar! It's given! It's a goal for New England! An error from Drake Calendar in the end. Barrero pokes it in. It's 2-0 Revolution on decision day.
The assistant referee on this side raised his flag that he saw the ball go over the line. It doesn't matter. Weigand hits it into his own goal. It is unbelievable how the ball has just bounced against Inter Miami in this first.
It's high into the air, knocked down. Gressel settling, blocked by Arriaga. Out to Kremaski, and now Bright. Weigand is still on the ground. It's still been limited this year. Suarez. Martinez continuing his run. It's Suarez and Suarez! It took them a while. They find their breakthrough. Luis Suarez's 19th goal of the season has cut the lead in half.
And yet it's come from the center back stepping into the midfield. Great recognition with the Revolution defending so deep that Martinez is just going to step into this midfield. He breaks the initial line but continues to run. Just great understanding.